Hello, I'm Jess Arce, America's dyslexia expert and the CEO of 3D Learning Experts. We specialize in virtual tutoring for learners with dyslexia, dysgraphia, and dyscalculia with reading, spelling, writing, and math. This month is Dyslexia Awareness Month, and I'm sharing a fact for every day of the month. Today's fact is dyslexia is common. It's amazing how many people think dyslexia is not very common. Did you know 1 in 5 people have dyslexia? That means a class with 25 kids, 5 of them will have some degree of dyslexia. I just did a talk yesterday and the mom said, I know a ton of kids who have at least 3 characteristics on the checklist that we start off with to see if it's likely dyslexia. And all of us in the room said, that's because 1 in 5 people have dyslexia. So you are around a very large proportion of those 5 people, or 1 people for every 5. Anyway, I was looking up myths to name one of my videos, and as I was looking for names, couldn't find a title, but I did find that dyslexia ranked number 1 on the list of learning disabilities on every single list I pulled. Everything I pulled up, all of the lists had dyslexia at the top of the list. Isn't that mind-blowing? People think dyslexia doesn't exist, it's not real, or it's not very common, and it's the number 1 learning challenge amongst kids. That's staggering. That's why I want to teach people what the truth about dyslexia is, because you have a 10% chance, no, that's higher than that, you have a 20% chance that someone that you love is dyslexic. So why not understand what dyslexia is so you can help them work with their challenges and exemplify their strengths.